Good morning or evening, comrades. Yeah, it's currently pretty dead here, but then again, what else did you expect with the track being closed till March? Yes, till March. So the dates have been announced in case you missed it. So if you want to plan and book your trip for Nürburgring for 2020, head out to our website or the calendar and see you then. But for today's video, it's kind of dead here again. So let's see what's cooking at our neighbors. Let's go to Philipp. Some familiar cars in winter sleep. Philipp's daily. What's the sound? It's like working on some car as always. For some people it's never a holiday. That's unexpected. I took the wrap off. So that's how people spend off season, huh? Yeah, so in case you're following his Instagram posts and you see him like hard working on the cars, don't believe him, he's just playing simulators. Yep. Wonderful. I wonder what's happening with this. Probably just like some winter maintenance. Ooh, that's like very German efficiency organized. Oh, hi there. How are you?
Not that bad.
I see you doing some winter, well, first of all, winter maintenance, or maintenance of yourself, keeping your skills maintained. So next year F1, huh? Or F3 or F something?
Nothing with F.
Yeah,
It's like, wait,
just F that.
Fuck it.
Yeah, but did you take the wrap off?
Yep.
Why?
Because it's something new.
Okay.
I just got somehow,
Bored.
somehow bored of the art car design.
Okay.
So yeah, took everything off. And second week of January, it's gonna be the new wrapping.
Cool. Interesting. And what are you doing with this?
Old cars. You know, it is like a car from 1975. It's just pissy.
Oh wow. Well, if it bleeds, means it's alive, right?
Yeah. After about 45 years now, it's okay.
Oh yeah, so it's still original radiator.
Yep.
Oh wow.
The first one after round about 90,000 kilometers.
That's cool. That's cool. But so just the replacing radiator, nothing.
Yeah, replacing radiator.
No straight six swap.
No.
But I mean, you put the what S52 in or S54 in this?
S54.
S54 in this, so you can put the 3 liter, the 3
I thought about
in
it.
this.
Yeah. Could be an idea.
Yeah.
Should have an engine left.
Yeah. Good idea. So yeah, I guess that kind of answers my question. What's cooking here, or do you have something more?
A few carbon bits.
Oh wow,
Some nice.
that's the M2CS tunnel or not?
Yep.
So you can actually order it already and just like have it. Oh wow, floor plans.
Yeah, the M2 competition is actually at the cage builder, so as soon as it comes back, it's gonna get a nice bunch of carbon bits and pieces.
That's cool. But I've seen a lot of like BMW M2, M2C owners saying like, well, M2CS is pretty cool, but the only cool thing about it is actually carbon fiber tunnel. So
That's
a lot
the
of
thing.
people gonna upgrade it aftermarket, and that's it.
And a few more bits and pieces.
That's for
Also for the M2 competition.
nice. Very
Yeah,
good.
some new brakes, like the rears.
That could fit on my daily.
We can make it fit on the. That shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah.
The only thing is you need to run at least 18-inch winters because
Yeah.
these won't fit underneath 15s.
Everything can be made fit. It's just a question how reasonable it is. Yeah.
We could also fit some uniball front and rear
Yeah. That's nice.
arms.
Actually, fancy wheels. I haven't seen those before. Is it like new for the next season?
that's a new design from Motec. And these were on for the Essen Motor Show.
Uh-huh. Cool.
Yeah. And now I'm gonna make the wrap fit the wheels. No.
So it's gonna be kind of like M4 GTS minus 20 years.
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned. Nice. But the actual reason, cars are all nice, but this channel is not about cars. So let's find out what else is cooking today.
I've got an idea.
Yeah, I'm hungry
Might-
too.
Yeah, my belly might tell me that we should get something sorted.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
A long time I haven't seen this car. Last time was probably trip to
Munich.
to our show, which I guess should be launched in February. The last
Hopefully.
things that we heard about it.
As far as I know, it should be February.
Congratulations on your win, by the way.
Yeah.
I actually wasn't at the award ceremony, and I see you got even for the top 24 overall.
Yep.
And I was somewhere also above. I should maybe go and see if there were any cups for me. But yeah, that was a bit of a
You should have a look.
fancy. But what's cooking tonight?
It looks
Meat.
like we've got meat.
Yep.
We've got onions. We've got peppers. We've got rice.
Nice.
We've
Chili.
got chili beans.
So chili con carne.
Looks like.
Nice. Cool. I'm in for that. And that's some German organization here of the plates. It's gonna be very romantic. I like it.
Got more candles. We can light them up like easily. Yeah, it's like it needs to be well sorted. It's the same like this.
Yeah.
It needs to be.
I really like your wall painting. Shout out to Selena. You can browse some stuff there.
It's perfect. It
It
was
is.
just a pain in the ass to get it.
You should go stand there for reference size.
It's like
Yep.
it was just pretty difficult to get it in here. You've seen the stairs.
Yeah.
Way too tight. I had to climb in front of the roof, in front of the house.
Yeah.
Get it through the window because it was like,
So how was the year for you?
And here for me, it was amazing. Business-wise, it was all as I expected it.
Built a lot of cars, helped a lot of people in emergency situations.
Yeah, we got everything sorted that went down the drive, and yeah, did racing as I expected it. So all over, it was a perfect year.
Well, class win is nothing to be complained about in the first year, so.
It's like winning the H5 class championship, and it was all over. It was perfect.
What are the plans for next year? You think about it while you prepare some stuff, because I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
So what are your plans for next year?
My plans for next year, still being busy in the workshop, doing RCN again. Building a few more cars. Enjoying a bit more of my life.
That's a very good one.
Yeah, taking a bit of time off. I just realized it in the winter now. Like having a break off work, going for skiing, doing a proper holiday. It's necessary. You feel way better as soon as you return. So
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take like a few days off during the season. Somewhere on the weekends. It's like when it's not that busy.
Yeah.
So yeah. Other than that,
Yeah, you know Felton from BRM Watches? He's like going like, you also have one, or two, or three. How many you have?
I've got a box over there. I've
Yeah,
got
oh
a
yeah,
box
you
in
have,
the
you have,
bedroom.
you have like a box full of watches. You're doing it pretty well, man. No, he's going like somewhere mid-season in June for like a week holiday. I'm like, that's the smartest thing I ever heard anyone
It
say.
is. Can't even imagine how it's possible, but it seems to work out.
Yeah,
It's like, oh yeah, it's 24-hour race. I'll be off. Ciao.
yeah, or like Ventisette, like they're leaving mid-season for a
Amazing,
week or
like,
2 weeks.
Yeah, we're gonna shut for 3 weeks. We are not.
We're like,
gonna
guys,
shut
it's the height of the season. Like everyone wants to eat. So, but yeah, I guess everyone can come to your place and have chili
Yeah.
con carne.
They just need to apply before, so I
Yeah.
can go shopping.
life hack.
It comes out of the fridge, so.
Wow.
That will never ever win any design award. But as long as it's tasty.
Well, the craziest shitboxes on the ring surprise the fanciest supercars. So let's live by that philosophy. You know, usually I see you taste like cooling engine oil or stuff.
It's like, oh yeah, it's oil. It'll be fine.
So what's your hint that you would give the people who want to cook for themselves?
To cook for themselves,
Yeah.
cook healthy. Leave away all the bad calories because otherwise you're not going to be a racing driver. Okay, perfect. We've got rice, which is like.
Yeah. What's the similarity between cooking and building a race car?
It all needs to be spot on, to be honest. If the rice has been in the water for 5 minutes too long, it's going to be like, it won't taste anymore. If the meat is not like proper done, it won't taste. It's the same with building a race car. It all needs to be spot on. Otherwise it won't satisfy your needs.
Wow. I knew you could build fancy cars, but I think this...
You haven't tried it yet.
Well... Awesome. I don't have a BMW yet, but now I know that I definitely can stop by at Philipp's place for some great chili con carne and other stuff. So thank you very much. You guys, if you haven't been following him, subscribe to his Instagram, and if you have empty stomach or some other emergency, car related, hit him up. Cheers!
Cheers!
I totally missed out the best part. That your oven is made by Ali G. Respecta, Shabbat.
Yep, respect that.
And for everyone concerned, of course there is dessert. Hazelnut ice cream. No, not hazelnut, walnut. And coffee.